Hello, and welcome to the Southwest Georgia Elder Care and Special Needs channel. I'm Dale Davidson, an estate, elder care, and special needs planning attorney dedicated to ensuring that families like yours have the resources and understanding necessary to make the best possible decisions. My goal is to help you navigate through this section of the Southwest Georgia Elder Care and Special Needs channel in order to help you find exactly what you need with regard to senior and special needs care for yourself or a loved one. If you're looking for in-home services like physical and speech therapy or personal nursing care for your loved one, we can help you find the skilled professionals trained to work specifically with seniors. Just click any of the buttons below to start your search. Also, you'll find an interactive map below that allows you to locate the listings and simplify your search. Finally, be sure to check out our Insider Tips sections to the right of our directory listings. Our Insider Tips articles are written by local experts who want to help you be an informed consumer so you'll know what to look for as well as what to look out for. And remember, if you ever need help making the right senior or special needs care decisions, please give me a call. My firm helps families like yours make great senior and special needs care decisions, and nobody knows senior and special needs care in Southwest Georgia as well as I do.